Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your controller double clicking on the menus of your Steam now for or the game that you play. Now, in order to get that fix, just simply click on the Steam on the top left corner, then click on settings. Now, in here, you need to click on this option of controller on this left window, and you are inside the controllers setting. Now, here there are multiple settings that you can use to customize the settings of your controller. You can just simply all you need to do is to just simply disable this option that says guide button focus team, or if that does not fix your problem, just simply uh, go to this option that says enable Steam input for generic controllers. Once you turn it on, and you'll see that your problem that you are facing will definitely get solved. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.